he got so ill that the doctors had given up and said there's no hope. You better make arrangements.
हमें ऐसा लग रहा था कि बिल्कुल जैसे हम लोग के अगर अंकल जॉन यहाँ से चले गए तो फिर शायद बहुत मुश्किल है हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए इवन के। और हमारे एसओएस के छोटे से छोटे बच्चे ने भी उनके लिए दुआ की कि अंकल जॉन को खुदा बिल्कुल ठीक करे और वापस लेके आए, क्योंकि शायद उनके बगैर बहुत मुश्किल है, हम लोगों के लिए बहुत मुश्किल है। तो छोटे बच्चे तो अभी उन्होंने तो बहुत आगे तक जाना है और उनके आगे तक जाने के लिए अंकल जॉन का होना यहाँ पे बहुत ज़रूरी है, बहुत।
Suddenly he came back and back to normal and nothing, no damage was caused, no nothing. So the doctor asked me, what does this man do? So I said, well, this is what he does, a lot of social work he does on the quiet, without making a hue and cry about it. So he said, there must be something that he has to finish, that he's come back. Became like the Pied Piper of the SOS, and all the children used to just love him because he had dedicated his whole life to the children.
और बच्चों का होता है कि हम अपनी छोटी छोटी चीज़ें लाइक गाड़ी, अब उनकी गाड़ी कोई टूट गई है कुछ, तो वो हम अंकल से कहें कि वो हमारे लिए लाएं। उनका ये होता है कि अंकल ही हैं कि जो हमारे लिए कर सकते हैं.
Somehow from the very beginning I have an attachment for children. Maybe because I don't have my own, you see, so then I've adopted all of them.
One of the subordinates died suddenly, and he had very young children at that time. So seeing that, there is nobody to take care of them, so he took care of the entire family. One of them happens to be now a wing commander in the Air Force. They are also doing very well in life.
And when I entered, I see this angel sitting in a huge office on a table, and he was looking at me through his glasses from the top. He got up, met me, and he asked me what happened. And then he said, "Beta, apna address inko likhwa do. I'll come to your place." Then onwards, I think he has been our guardian angel. Throughout our life, he has driven us in the right direction. Whatever we are today, when I tell my colleagues about this story, they think that it's a fairy tale. Maybe it's not true. It's not possible that in one generation, same generation can travel from one point to another.
You just need to give them a little push. They don't have to depend on you for spoon feeding. Spoon feeding is very dangerous.
From the SOS, then he started at the same time Adventure Foundation, which was an organization that the average person in Pakistan, the average child in Pakistan, could avail of such facilities that were not expensive.
We didn't have much equipment, and Brigadier Jan Nader wrote to his brothers who were outside the country to send some tents, some gear which can be used in camping and trekking. So this is how we started. Later on, I being in the army, I managed to get some tents, and as and when they were not committed with the mountain warfare activities, so we will share and take the children. Initially it was only during the weekend, but later on we started getting the children for more than 3 days, 5 days. So this is how Adventure Foundation came into being.
He doesn't accept कि हाँ ठीक है चलने दो. He has standards, and you must meet the standards. And keeping standards alive in a culture where mediocrity is now average and normal, that is one of the very special qualities he brings to Adventure Foundation.
And Jan Nader was able to put Adventure Foundation Pakistan on the world map.
Fortunately, with the passage of time now, speaking today, we've managed to convince the parents, we've managed to convince the teachers. The only side we've not been able to convince is the government. Government is not interested.
उन्होंने एक ज़बरदस्त किस्म का तोहफा पाकिस्तान नेशन को दिया, पाकिस्तानी यूथ को दिया.
If I have to tell you about his honesty, when I was very young and he was chairman CDA, he had a briefcase, and in that there were three envelopes, in which one was AFP, the other one was CDA, and the third one was personal. That was very amazing and surprising to me. And I used to ask him that why can't you just hold one and then later on distribute? So he told me that whatever job is done, the money goes out of that box, doesn't go from anywhere else.
But one gentleman who came, that was very interesting also. He said, मैं जी प्लॉट लेकर जाऊंगा. मैंने कहा जी प्लॉट नहीं है अवेलेबल अभी फिलहाल, तो नहीं कहता जी मैं लेकर जाऊं. आप ऐसा करें सबसे छोटा प्लॉट मुझे दे दें. तो मैंने कहा हाँ छोटा आपको दे सकता हूं. इट इज 6 by 3 feet. उसको नहीं समझ आई. बाद में जब चला गया किसी ने उसको बताया होगा कि आपके साथ तो बड़ा मजाक हुआ है. 6 by 3 तो कबर होती है.
He was then known as King of Kohistan because he would fly to places which are completely destroyed. He had unlimited funds, and there was no check on him. There was nobody who could audit him, because if you imagine one of our fine ministers today having this liberty that the whole of Kohistan you have to rebuild. So imagine how much you can do. I mean, just by giving a contract to one contractor.
But the biggest advantage I enjoyed was complete independence. Can you believe it that during those 5 years, there was not a single visit from any of the higher-ups in the ministry or something. Nobody came there. So now that gives you 2 options. One option is you go bad or you do good. Fortunately for me, I didn't go bad, you see, so I was able to bring that wild area and make them into a district.
And it was the late governor of Northwest Frontier Province, General Fazle Haq, who said to him he's one of the only honest people in the frontier.
Very keen, very dedicated, and he has so many other facets in life. For example, I remember detailing him for a water divining course, and he learned how to divine water, and I think later on Jan Nadir became one of the top water diviners of Pakistan.
ब्रिगेडियर जान की हमेशा ये ख्वाहिश रही कि ये नॉलेज जो पानी का है ये आगे ट्रांसफ़र कर दी जाए, लेकिन ये ख्वाहिश कभी पूरी नहीं हुई, और कभी कभी वो बड़े अफसरदा होकर कहते थे कि हो सकता है ये नॉलेज जो है ना मैं अपने साथ जो है ना कब्र में ही ले जाऊं.
I mean, there's no subject on this earth that you ask him about and he doesn't know the answer. He reads, if you go and visit him, and you'll see what he possesses most of all. I mean, his bank balance is nil.